NDT in minutes. Please extend your support by subscribing and like the video. Weld imperfection precise classification and description is vital step in evaluation. ISO 6520 is good reference for this task. Gas cavity is general term for the cavity formed by entrapped gas. When the gas cavity takes the spherical shape, the name is gas pore.
Gas pores occur in various shapes. Uniformly distributed porosity is number of gas pores distributed in a substantially uniform manner. Clustered porosity is group of gas pores having a random geometric distribution. Linear porosity is row of gas pores situated parallel to the axis of the weld.
Wormhole porosity basically occurs when gas trying to escape forms a tail around the porosity that makes the porosity look like a worm, called wormhole porosity. Thanks for watching.